Shashwat and Shiv are equal partners. When I am saying equal means what? Their profit sharing ratio is 1 is
1:1.
their balance sheet is stood as under, where the total of balance sheet is 45,000. Due to the weak position of all partners were declared what? Bankrupt. So assets were realized as follows. There is the stock, tick mark to the word stock, tick mark to the word furniture, tick mark to the word debtors, tick mark to the word machinery. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Cost of collection and distributing the estate amounted to 1,500. This is something new, underline and make a star mark to this. It is nothing but dissolution expenses, dissolution charges, realization expenses. What they said, cost of collection and distributing the estate. It means, of course, for realizing the asset, you have to incur some expenditure since you are winding up the business. So this is realization expenses. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shashwat's private estate is not sufficient even to pay off his private debt, whereas in Shiv's private estate, there is a surplus of 500. What does it mean again? Make a star mark to this. Shiv's private estate, there is a surplus of 500. It means amount is recovered from Shiv's estate. How much amount is recovered? 500.
500.
They are asking you to prepare necessary ledger account to close the books of the firm, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo then. What is my first step? Read the question. Second step, tick mark the thing. What is my third step?
Incorporate the balances.
Incorporate. But since all the partners become insolvent, one thing is very much clear and sure. That is whatever liabilities are there, open the separate account. Do not transfer to realization. So buy balance brought down 6,000. But in a asset side, partner's capital is there. So it has a debit balance, Vivek. So debit side. To balance brought down. If there is any undistributed profit or losses,
No, sir.
no, correct? What does it mean? In simple language, it means one working note removed. So there is the bank balance, cash at bank 3,000, to balance brought down.
No.
Even there is a creditor whose balance is 39,000, by balance brought down
No.
39,000. Clear? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the next point after this?
सर सन्ड्री एसेट को ट्रांसफर करेंगे.
Perfectly said. What journal entry you should say?
रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू सन्ड्री एसेट अकाउंट.
Perfectly said. विवेक, असेट को डेबिट बैलेंस रहता है, लाइबिलिटी को क्रेडिट बैलेंस रहता है, that you know. Since it has a debit balance, it should be transferred to realization. So that asset will become zero. So the entry will be realization account debit to respective asset. So which are the respective asset one by one? Plant and machinery at their book value, furniture, after that debtors, after that stock. So these all are the values. So the total of this is 30,000.
30,000.
Transfer liability, yeah, we already incorporate the balance because all partners become insolvent. So come to the adjustment then. Due to the weak financial position, all partners were declared bankrupt. Assets were realized as follows, right? Chalo, bolo.
Yes, sir.
When asset is realized, what journal entry you should frame?
बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट.
पैसे आ रहे हैं, and since you already transfer asset to realization, now you can't say asset, so that's why realization. So bank account debit to realization. Stock is 3,500. Furniture 2,000. Debtors 5,000. Krupal, you are not answering. Are you there? Credit, it means bank should be debit. Asset
Yes, sir.
correct? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the next point after this? I think the next point is the cost of collection and distribution amounting to 7,000. So what journal entry you should frame for this?
Sir, realization account debit to bank account.
Realization account debit to bank account. Correctly said. So to bank account, here I should say realization expenses 1,500. Bank account credit side, I should say realization expenses 1,500. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shashwat private estate is not sufficient even to pay off his private debt. Shiv's private estate, there is a surplus of 500. What entry you should frame for this?
Sir, bank account debit to Shiv capital account.
Correctly said. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, तो बैंक के डेबिट में लिख दो शूज कैपिटल एंड शूज कैपिटल के क्रेडिट में लिख दो बाय बैंक. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
What is the next point? I think
Sir,
that
हो गया.
close down the partner's capital. Look at here, debit side total is 31,500. Credit side total is 17,500. So there is a clear cut
Hello,
loss.
sir.
Krupal, I am able to hear now. There is clear cut loss of rupees 14,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When there is a loss, what journal entry we should frame?
Partners capital
Partners
account debit
capital
to
account debit
realization.
to realization.
account.
Correct. Equal means 7,000 each. We don't need to prepare the working note. So here credit in bracket, write down the loss. So partner's capital should be debit. Now the time come to close down partner's capital account. Look at here. Debit side total is 19,000, whereas credit side total is 500. So difference is of 18,500.
18,500.
100.
Right?
My deficiency account.
Correct. And similarly, here the debit side total is 7,000 and credit side total is 6,000. Another
1,000.
1,000 should be transferred to deficiency account.
Deficiency account.
Here is the credit. It means
Deficiency.
deficiency debit. Both the partners name one by one. Shiv's capital as well as Shashwat's capital. Now come, look at here. Bank account. Kitna balance है? 21,000.
21,000.
1,000 you already make payment of 1,500.
19,500.
19,500.
19,500 will be distributed to whom?
Credit.
One liability is there. So there is no question arises. Creditor, right? So less payment made to creditors. In this way, the balance will remain zero, nil. So sundry creditors debit side to bank account 19,500. Bank credit side by sundry creditors account 19,500. Correct? So
Yes,
what does it mean? It should be tally. देखो ये तो हो गया 21,000 को tally. And yes, whatever balance is remain of a creditor, that should be transferred to whom? Deficiency.
Deficiency.
देखो यहाँ पे same equal हो गया. Here debit, it means deficiency should be credit, and if deficiency value tally, it means my solution is 100% correct.
Yes, sir.
It means my solution
Yes,
is
sir.
correct, right, friends? Clear please?
Yes, sir.
Pray, मेरे नाथ
मेरे नाल
आप अपनी
अब अपनी
दामयी
सुधामय
समर्थ
सर्वसम्मत
पावनी
पटी पावनी
हेतु की कृपा से
हेतु की कृपा से
दुखी प्राणियों के हृदय में
सुखी प्राणी हृदय में
का बल
त्याग का बल
एवं
एवं
प्राणियों के हृदय में
सुखी प्राणी के हृदय में
सेवा का बल
प्रदान करे
जिससे वे
जिससे वे
दुख के बंधन से
सुख दुख के बंधन से
मुक्त हो
कि
पवित्र प्रेम का
पवित्र प्रेम का
स्वाधन कर
आस्वादन कर
कृत्य हो जाए.
प्रकृत्य हो जाए.
श्री शरणम
हरिशरणम
श्री सुरभ्य नमः.
हरिशरणम नमः.